What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuned in for another video, man. Y'all see, man, I'm trying to get some late evening action going on, man, cause I've been wanting to do this. So y'all see by the title, yes, I'm finally gonna do it. I'm about to try it and see what's going on. And it's so funny, I get out here, big Dolo done undressed himself. So I guess he was ready, cause he done undressed himself, man. Car cover already got took off. Reason being though, one of my straps, I ran over the clip, man, and broke the clip. These some good covers, man. I ran over the clip right here and broke one of them so it don't latch up. So wind get up on that front and it's out of here. So I'm about to go order me some. I'm gonna order me some more. I really need some more all the way around. John Zone got the oldest cover. It done got so thin. It's time to replace it. So, yeah, man. We're about to get. I got some racing gear now. So, I'm about to take this right here. And we finna go to work. I'm finna try it. And we're gonna try to do it before the sun go down. So, say all day we've been busy. So I'm see if wife can get out here and see if we can make something shake. So I'm finna bag this thing up, put some racing gas in it, put some heat in the bottle, and shoot, set a ramp, and we going to it. So let's get it. I got a good little ramp set. Of course, not 100%. Definitely not going 100% on these wheels. But I got a nice little ramp set to where I can pick up some wheel speed and get it rolling. And it should get up out of there. Get up out of there. So we finna get a little get a little gas in them. Come on, Dolo. This sounds super tight, boy. What's going on right here? Oh, there we go. So tight. Get a little gas in it. I'm gonna strap the bottle in, and then I'm gonna tune in to y'all on the GoPro, and wife is gonna be on the outside. So I'm finna put this camera, the big camera, down, y'all, while I do all that, cause we bracing against sunlight now. Should have a good. Oh boy, we pushing it. It's selling now. Let me hurry up, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got the bottle in and stuff, trying to get the pressure up. Real cool. We're about in green. Then we're gonna take off. Alright, y'all, we're taking in. So I have not, where that footage at? Let me see. Air dry. Wifey got it on her phone, but that first time I went to, oh glory, man.
You know, it's like how the sun be.
Hold on, they're coming up. I'm looking at the footage now, y'all. But that first time, y'all, I actually went the wrong direction and went to neutral.
That's the first one.
Yeah, I went to neutral that first one, y'all. Going too fast, trying to make sure everything was everything. Hold on, y'all, I'm trying to look at it. Yeah, that joker was spinning. Here you go. Hey, you got dropped in my phone here. That joker was spinning, man. So man, that thing, the first time that joker violent, man. That joker violent on that gas, and it's all because I had it set on a violent and aggressive ramp for like radials. So it was super aggressive. That's why I hit the tire, man. Soon as the ramp kicked in, it hit the tires. But like I said, I want to see what it hit like on the wheels or whatever. I wasn't trying to make a Hail Mary pass and stuff. Got both on. I wasn't trying to make a Hail Mary pass, but part of testing and tuning. So, you know, we gonna see what's to it. Like I said, good little night. It was good. It was good, cool air though. I know that. It perfect temperature. It was perfect temperature for it, and it ran crispy, man. That's crispy tune all the time. That joker hit all the time. And the second hit, it was spinning a little bit too. It was on the tires, and you know, I was just trying to feel the car out, man. You don't go out there the first time ever spraying nitrous on wheels. You don't go out there and just think, hey, I'm finna full send this thing. You don't do that. So, like I said, I was just playing it safe, man. I had been wanting to try it and all of that, and just give y'all some content, you know, give myself some content too. I want to see this, but we gonna definitely try it again at the track. When I spray this thing on the wheel, I really would prefer to be at Middle Georgia Motorsport Park, called that Prep. That bad boy stick. It'll stick, man, on them. It'll actually stick on the wheels and all of that. So that's what I want to try. Man. So what I'm gonna do, I ain't gonna close the video out. Yet. It's just getting too dark on me, cause I really wanna shake down again, man. I ain't wanna. I know the sun going down. That's why I came back, y'all. Cause y'all know my tail light. I still ain't got the park light thing situated. So that's why I was like, man, I got to get back. I got to wrap it up, at least for now, for the test hits and all of that. So, you know, it's just part of the game, man. It's part of testing and tuning, TNT. I know what? This joker use some nitro, boy. When you spray it, that joker use some nitro, man. But anyway, I'm going to turn y'all back on tomorrow, so y'all just stay tuned.